Hello, welcome back to another episode of On the Trail with Gyver. This episode is a special camping episode that is going to be probably a montage of the adventures that me and Griffin and Tatum had while trying to camp. And I say trying to camp because, well, you'll see coming up. So thank you for joining me on this episode, and I'll see you in a little bit.
Griff is on the inside of the battle box tent, having some problems.
I can't.
Hear you.
Really?
Alright, there you go.
Oh, look at him. He's just a little guy.
Crazy.
Well, thank you very much for joining me on this episode of On the Trail with Gyver. I hope you had more fun watching this video than I had filming it. Fishing with the kids, though, was really great. And even though we got rained out on the camping part, it was still a lot of fun. So I'm just joking around. I wouldn't trade this weekend for anything. You know, as always, you know, if there's something you want to see us do, gear to test out, tutorials to do, please leave a comment down below. Please like this episode if you liked it. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe if you want to subscribe. And, you know, as always, God bless, and I hope to see you on the trail.